Keep cleaning jobs running smoothly by managing supply inventory so you never run out mid-job. Track usage by item and frequency so you know which supplies move fastest and how many you need per job. Create a simple checklist that technicians complete at the start and end of each shift, noting quantities used and what is low. Restock at the start or end of every shift so supplies are replenished before the next assignment and avoid surprises. Assign one person daily to verify checklist completion. Use labeled Caddy compartments for essentials, so each technician can visually confirm contents in under 10 seconds and replace missing items immediately. Keep a small backup kit of basics in each vehicle and a larger reserve in the supply closet for multi-job days or unexpected spills. Standardize pack sizes and par levels for each route, so ordering becomes predictable and reduces excess inventory tied up in stock. The most common mistake is relying on memory rather than a written checklist, which leads to inconsistent restocking habits. Fix this by enforcing the start and end of shift checklist and auditing it weekly. Another issue is poor organization of caddies, which makes it hard to see deficits quickly. Solve this by using labeled compartments and a uniform layout for every caddy, so technicians instantly know when something is missing. A third common problem is not keeping backups in vehicles or a central closet, which creates delays when usage spikes. Prevent that by maintaining a one-day vehicle kit and a 3-day central reserve based on average daily consumption. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to help contractors find steady work related to projects like cleaning and maintenance. We also host a discussion community where professionals and homeowners share tips, ask questions, and coordinate local resources.